Hey guys, what's up? I've been having a little problem with my GoPro not charging. Um, well, I'm using a Chromebook charger, a school Chromebook charger, to charge mine, and the output is 5 volts, 3 amps, lowest, I guess. 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 3 amps. Everything's 3 amps anyways, that's all that matters. Everything's 3 amps. It's only a trolley. If you look at it, it is only... Oh wait, never mind. Now output. So input, it's only drawing like 3 amps. Output is what it's putting out. So that tells me that... I'm guessing what happened is it was half drawing battery from the GoPro for some reason. Because I had it plugged into this. And it wouldn't do anything except lose battery. So I don't know why. But when I plugged it in straight into the wall, it worked. So if you have a Chromebook charger, see what you do. You take a what I did, because this is actually an aftermarket one because I lost my original one because I can't keep up with Chromebook chargers. This thing, see where I shaved that down a little bit? That right there, shaved down with a knife. It'll fit on a GoPro perfectly. And it's USB-C, which is why the new Chromebook chargers, if you're in school, got new Chromebooks. These things, this charger was about $15, I think. About $15, and it charges my GoPro like nothing. So there's no video for today, and tomorrow I'm going to somewhere, and I'll probably make a video after that. Just riding around in my neighborhood, which is kind of lame, but, too bad. Not mudding, I did do a little bit of mudding, not much, it wasn't serious mudding, but it was better than, riding around in my trails at my house, because I have not very much trails. Alright, that's the charging issue on the GoPro fixed. Just, basically, if you have one of these, just plug it into the wall, not to a power strip, because those apparently don't work. I'm guessing it's because that power strip, I'm guessing it's because it's not getting the same input to the charger as the wall is. Alright, bye guys.